What is an order block in futures trading? Okay, so the way that I understand it, there's two different kinds, and they're used in very different ways. So I'm going to show you in an order flow footprint chart. I'll show you what an order block is, and I'll also show you what an order block is in just a standard technical definition of it as well. I call it something different, but we'll kind of go through that here. Okay, so here's an order flow footprint chart. If you're not familiar with one of those, this is where you have your orders, your sell side orders on the left here, your buy side orders on the right, your aggressive sellers on the left, and aggressive buyers on the right. Okay, we're in a very big steep downtrend right now, and what I've highlighted on my chart, I have a tool here that helps identify big block orders. Okay, so the definition that I'm operating with right now on block orders are singular transactions of 50 contracts or more, and I can set that to whatever it is I really want to. So on my order flow footprint chart, I can set that right here under the block trades. I can set it with 50. I can change it to 100, 500, whatever it is I want to do, depending on what it is I'm actually trading. You may want to make that adjustment, but for the standard right here, anytime there is a buy side order that had, so on the right hand side here of this candle, we had a block order at 47.6125, and we had another block order at 47.62. We had another one here. We had another one here. We had another one here, here, all the way up. We're getting these big block orders of 50 contracts or more. That is what a block order looks like. This is just the S&P 500, and we're going through a pretty volatile downtrend here in the second half of the day. So I wanted to just point that out on an order flow footprint chart, what that looks like. So the other block order here, I'll show you on a different chart. So we'll go with just a standard chart right here. So just kind of ignore all the other stuff here. So here's I call this a change, a state of change level is what I really mark these off as. So here is what I call a block order right here, or an order block right here. Okay, and why do I call that an order block? Because price came into a downtrend here, started to come into a little bit of a downtrend here. Price pulled back a little bit here, and then we flushed right straight through that right here. So at this 48.18, this is where we changed from a kind of a sideways market to a big downtrend market. So there's a big the theory is there's a big block order within these two candles right here. There's a block order of sells that shoved the market all the way down. Okay, that's what a block order is on just a standard candle chart. And that's really about it. Those are the only two definitions. What it really is, at the end of the day, it is an order, a big order of either sells or a sell order or buy order that changes market trajectory, or that has the potential to change market trajectory. And this is kind of how you identify them in two different ways. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for listening. If you like this and you want access to the tools, check out Ninjacators Fast Track with the link below.